Yeah, we from Menlo Park Presbyterian Church. Wanna work, where's the bus that we getting in? Rolling down Santa Cruz, headed to the basement. Check in with Abby, Carlos, Matt, Juice, and Jason. Got all my bags packed, make sure I got gum. 12 hours on the bus to leave your little booty numb. Sit and watch movies, talking to my friends. Finally, our mission trip to Mexico begins. Peace out to Menlo and the Jim Candy. Hope that my Spanish class words come in handy. Not out to Spain, instead this is Mexico. But first we gotta stop at Walmart in Calexico. Adios to parties, known by Miley Cyrus. But never drink the water cause you might catch a virus. Now we're closer to all the memories that we'll make, yes sir. I'ma spend my spring break in